Good evening, friends. This is Pritham. Welcome to my channel Foxtrade India. So, we are going to discuss about relative strength index today. Before using relative strength index, you should know a few things and how professional use this indicator. Okay. So, first of all, uh, you should not use indicator for buy and sell. Okay, indicator is a thing which indicates you something, but you should not use this as a buy or sell generator. Okay, you should focus on price action. Every professional believes in price action first. Okay, then indicator is like an indicating tool. Okay, while you are driving your car or bike, you just indicate your indicator to turn left or right. So it is not driving decisions is not based on your indicator, right? Okay, so it is always used for a direction only. Okay, so in stock market it is also same. You should use the indicator for your only a direction or for confirmation. Okay, you should not use this for your buy and sell generator. Better you will focus on price action. Okay, and relative strength index is also an indicator which indicates the relative strength. From the name you can already understand that. So this is not a overbought and oversold indicator. If it goes to overbought, you will sell it, or if it goes to below 30 means oversold, you will buy. No, not this type of indicator, or not trading is not so easy. Okay, so what you should first, you have to improve your psychology behind using this indicator. Okay, so you can see this is, I have drawn this picture for better understandings. Okay, RSI, what is the meaning? Relative strength index. Relative strength, mind it. So something, it is indicating the strength and relativity. Okay, relativity of past price and nowadays price, and their comparison, that is called relative strength. Okay, so here this is the price. Suppose this is the price and this is the RSI indicator. Okay, this is the past high and this is nowadays recent high. Okay, so price is moving upward, then make a high and then retracement, then again price making a new high, and suppose you are up to here. Okay, you are up to here. Okay, now you can see, look at RSI price. At this point price is making higher high. Okay, this is higher high because it has broken the previous high. It is making higher high, but what about RSI? This is making lower highs. This is called relative strength. Okay, now what you can see, price is making higher high, but RSI is not making higher high. This is the main purpose of relative strength index. So what it is showing, that while price is making higher high, RSI is not making higher high, means there is hidden bearishness, or you can say the strength of this high, means this high is not so much like the previous one. Okay, so be cautious. The clever, the professional trader know these things, that price is making higher high but RSI is not making so much high, so there is something, a hidden downward strength. They will be alert. they will book their profit at this high. Okay, so this is the main purpose of RSI. And for the price confirmation, what I am trying to say, if you can see, if you can ever find that this is the above 70 level, this is the below 30 level, above 70 price RSI making this type of pattern, means this both. Okay, price is making higher high and RSI making lower high. You can see this, there is a downward arrow and there is a upward arrow. If this type of situation occurs, you should sell this stock. Okay, and the price confirmation, if you can find that there is a green candle, obviously at the top there will be a green candle, and if the very next candle is bearish and cover this green candle, then you will short here, somewhere here, and wait for 1:3 target, and the stop loss will be above this high. Okay, so what is the total thing? You will find that price will making higher high, but RSI is making lower highs. There is a down arrow, there is an up arrow, and at this point, price, bearish price red candle will cover the total green candle, means this will be at this point. Okay, you understand? So, and here is the target will be minimum 1:3. You can go beyond 1:3, but I will prefer to book profit at 1:3, at least 70%. Okay, so you know the risk reward ratio. I think you know already about risk reward ratio. If you book 1:3 risk reward ratio, then only near about 30 to 35 times you have to be correct. Okay, means if you take 100 trades, only 35 trades if correct with 1:3 risk reward ratio, you will be in break even. Okay, so in stock market, if you follow this, only this strategy or combination, whatever you say, your probability will be high, and your accuracy will be near about 70 to 75%. Okay, so you will be definitely in profit. Okay, now this is the psychology of RSI trading. You can say this is the theory of RSI trading. Now let's get into the chart. Okay, this is SBI. You can check whatever you want, any script. Okay, let's find RSI in SBIN. Okay, one thing, you can check it in daily, you can check it in 15 minutes, 30 minutes, even 5 minutes also, but in higher time frame it works better. Okay, okay, let's check few. Okay, here is something like that situation, but not proper, because price is not making lower low. Okay, in case of sell, you understand now, the in case of sell it will be opposite. Okay, so first check few buying opportunities, some few selling opportunities. Sorry, I say in case of this is for buying, and what I have shown, that is for selling. Let's find some selling opportunities. Okay, let's check here. Okay, no, sorry, this is not applicable, because price, why this is very important, this is not applicable here. Why this is not applicable? Because price is not making higher high, so system cancelled. Do not trade this one. Let's find someone. Let's find okay, this may be same like situation. This is 73.95. no, here the RSI is high from this high. Okay, cancel. So this is cancel. Whenever you will get this system now, it will give you phenomenal result here. Yes, but this is not in good range, so I will not trade this one. Okay, let's check it. Here price is moving up. Here is the high, here is the lower high, and but RSI is making lower high. Okay, here is the high and here is the high. Check, this is the top candle. Here it is in near about 60, and here was the previous top candle, it was near about 72. So our situation criteria match, and you can short here. Actually, and this looks like a red candle, but the sentiment was bullish because it was a gap up opening. Then the next candle broke its low. You can short here and book, and the stop loss will be near around 192.78. okay, approximately 193, and your entry was near about 189, and you easily get at least 1:10. okay, no issue. 1:10 profit is a quite very good profit, I think. Okay, here okay, price making higher high confirmed, RSI making lower high. okay, there is the second confirmation, sold somewhere around here to 38.67, and stop loss below this high, above this candle, and you are getting 1:, how much, 20, 1:20. okay, no issue. Come on, move forward. Let's check for this one. This was actually, the problem is this is not giving me the value here. This is 31 for 32, not clear actually. So if it gives me the value, at least, actually when it will looks like this now, there is a value. You can check it that the price is moving down, lower low is the low, and this one is the low, the lower low, and RSI making higher low because it is not broken this low. So here is up, here is up arrow, whatever I have shown in paint, and here is a down arrow. So our criteria match. You will buy in this red candle, stop, and stop loss will be this, and you are easily getting 1:3. okay, more than 1:3, I think. So it is a too much powerful system. You can use it. okay, this one, because of not below 30, I'm not going to trade this one. So you have to understand which trade you have to leave and which trade you have to trade, which one you have to trade and which one you have to leave. This is very important concept. okay, here both of them are cancelled because price is not making the higher high. Let's check a few other stocks. Yeah, you can find, I think, somewhere here. Yes, definitely price is making higher high. Here is an up arrow, you can see here is an up arrow, but price is not making as much high as previous high. okay, so RSI making lower low, price is making higher high, short below, and candles confirmation is there. There is a green candle followed by a red candle, totally engulfed by this red candle, short here, stop loss over this high, and definitely you are getting 1:10 or more. okay, so few trades in a month, you will getting 1:20, 1:10. So why trade every day? No need to trade every day. Any stock, what you say, Kotak Bank, Tata Steel, Reliance, anything. Okay, VEDL. Okay, check VEDL. Okay, VEDL daily chart here and here. Price is making lower low, RSI is making higher low. Okay, this one was the previous low and this one is the lower low, but RSI making higher low. Buy at this red candles engulfing here, the top of this red candle. Stop loss, very little stop loss. Okay, just 206 and 201, near about 5 rupees or 6 rupees stop loss, and you are getting 1:3. At least your target will be 6. How much was stop loss? 6 rupees, so 18 rupees. Okay, you are getting your 1:3. You are getting your 1:3, no issue. Okay, in downtrend, it was in typical downtrend, but you are getting your profits. Okay, this is a too much powerful, too much if you use it properly. Okay, I think here is, yeah, definitely it is high, so system not matched. Okay, any stock, any what you say, Reliance. Okay, Reliance, check Reliance. Okay, Reliance, check here. The price, here is the price making up to this level, up to this candle. Price is making higher high, but RSI making lower low. Short below this candle, 1:3 risk, and you are getting almost 1:3. Maybe not, but you will be in profit. Okay, why? Because there is a total system. Okay, whenever you will learn from me, if you join my course, that whenever you are getting at least 1:2, trail your stop loss to break even. So if it goes against you, at least you will be in break even, not in loss. Okay, so never panic. Okay, see, price is making lower low, RSI making higher low. Buy this above this red candle, stop loss, little bit stop loss, and you are getting at least 1:5. So if one trade goes and take your stop losses, then why in panic? You have already got 1:10, 1:20. Okay, so give market at least one. Don't be so silly. Okay, never be in panic. Just be cool and follow your system. Okay, so there are lots of example I can give you. Any stock, in any stock, just you focus and keep this in mind. Okay, what I have showed you. Okay, in 15 minutes, just let's check something here or not. Maybe no, this has broken. Anything, what something, any stock, Kotak Bank, or any stock, whatever you want. Sorry. Let's check in 15 minutes. Okay, this one, price making higher high, RSI making lower low, short below this red candle, here short, stop loss above this red candle, and you are getting in intraday, you are getting 1:3 or 5. So what do you want more? The system is superb. I am following this system. Hope you like it. Follow me, get in touch with me. I will educate you. Never panic in market. Okay, all the best and trade with full confidence. Okay, goodbye. And one thing, please subscribe, yaar.